Hey everyone, I wanted to just make a quick little video over some of the word problems on here just so we can make sure we're clear. So basically make sure you know how to set these equations up. So 14, this is from your quiz review. On an algebra test, the highest grade was 14 points higher than the lowest grade. So basically you have the highest test, H, and you have the lowest test, L. And you know the highest grade was 14 points higher than the lowest, so your H is the lowest grade plus 14 because you know it's 14 more than the lowest. Now then it says the sum of the two grades was 172. So when I hear sum, I think, okay, my two grades added together. So H plus L equaled 172. Now unfortunately, we cannot add H and L together, but we do know H is the lowest grade plus 14. So if we replace H with L plus 14, keep our L here, then we know that now we can combine our like terms of 2L plus 14 equals 172. And then it is a basic two-step equation. What you get there is 2L equals 158 divided by 2, and the lowest grade was a 79. Therefore, the highest grade was 79 plus 14, which is 93. Okay? Now, 15. When 8 is added to 4 times the number, the key here being 4 times the number, we simply write that as 4n or 4x, whatever you'd like. And 8 is added to it, so whenever 8's added to 4 times the number, the result is 80. And then simply subtract 4n equals 72 divided by 4, and you have your answer. N equals 18. Make sure you know what a consecutive integer is. So a consecutive integer is n plus 1, n plus 2, and so on and so forth. So if you need the sum of 3 of them, you simply take 3 of them, n plus 1 plus n plus 2, and it says it's 96. Then 3n plus 1 plus 2 is 3. It's 96. Subtract your 3. 3n equals 93. I'm going to rewrite that there. Then you know, hey, I'll divide by 3. And n equals 31. Now we haven't answered the question. Find the 3 numbers. Well, we know n is 31, so 31 plus 1 would be 32, and 31 plus 2 would be 33. And sure enough, those are 3 consecutive numbers that add up to 96. And then the final problem is your rectangle problem. The width of a rectangle is 8 inches more than the length. The perimeter is 60. Find the length and the width. So one thing that's helpful is go ahead and draw your diagram. And if I know I've got width, so this one says width is longer, so I'm going to put my longer piece here, width, length, length. Now we know this, the width of the rectangle is 8 inches more than the length. So if I took my length and added 8 inches to it, I know that that's what my width is. So that to this picture would look like this. Let's say these are the same exact picture. I know I've got my length, but now my width becomes my length plus 8 because it's 8 more than my length. And now we know perimeter is to add everything. So we simply add up all of our sides. So combine like terms, L, 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 L. There's 4 of them, so 4L. 8 plus 8 is 16, and this all equals 60. So minus 16, 4L equals 44. and then L equals 11. Now, that's our length, but we know our width is what? 8 more than that, so width is 8 plus 11, which is 19. So just be careful with your word problems. Make sure you know how to set them up, and if you can do that, then you can solve your one-step and two-step equations. Make sure you're answering the question, but other than that, you should be fine. So study hard, practice, let me know if you have any questions.